Hello! In today's video, I'm going to be dismantling the front assembly of my 1974 GTV. It was my original intention to put the entire teardown, painting, and reassembly into a single video, but since just the teardown portion of it was so long, I'm breaking it up into 2 or 3 videos. I'm going to start this teardown by taking off the spring pan. Once I got the spring pan off, I decided to take the wishbones off of the spindle. Now I'm trying to pull off the rotor. These 2 screws that are holding the hub onto the rotor were pretty tough to get off. Unfortunately, they weren't the toughest part of this teardown. I had to bring it over to the vise because there was no way I was going to get that nut off, trying to hold it onto the table myself. While it was in the vise, I figured I should pop the ball joints. Of all the front assemblies that I've taken apart, the dust caps have either already fallen off or there's no way to remove them without destroying them, so I just clamp them in the vise as hard as I can. I've never had the bushing come off with that piece before, so this is going to be interesting on how I get those two parts separated again. This thing really didn't want to come off, so I kept loosening it and then putting the nut on to push it back on, to wiggle it back and forth until eventually it came off. The bushing on the other side was so much easier to take out because I was able to just press it out like normal. I thought that I was done tearing everything down at this point, and then I remembered that I can push the bearing races out of the hub. And that's it. An entire front assembly of a 1974 GTV 2000 laid out on a table. In the next video, I'll be cleaning off all of the parts and painting them to get ready for reassembly. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel to help me grow and keep putting out content like this.